Hello students, today's topic is finding particular integral of f of d into y equal to q of x and q of x equal to e power ax into v, where v is a function of x. Particular integral of f of d into y is equal to q of x. When q of x equal to e power ax into v, where v is a function of x, where v is a function of x. In this case, how to find the particular integral? Okay, particular integral is 1 by f of d into q of x. What is q of x here? E power ax into v, where v is a function of x. This is equal to e power ax into 1 by f of d plus a into v. That means taking out e power x and then replace d with d plus a. Okay. Particular integral is equal to e power ax into 1 by f of d plus a into v. Okay. Problems now. Solve d square y by dx square minus 6 dy by dx plus 13y is equal to 8 e power 3x into sin 2x. Okay. So the solution, given differential equation in operator form is d square minus 6d plus 13 into y is equal to 8 e power 3x sin 2x. Okay. First, I have to find yc, the complementary function. The auxiliary equation is m square minus 6m plus 13 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. M equal to minus b, that means 6 plus or minus root b square, 36, minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into 13, 52 all by 2a, that is 2. Okay. 6 plus or minus 36 minus 52, minus 16. Minus 16 means plus or minus 4a. Okay. All by 2. That is equal to 3 plus or minus 2i. These are complex roots, a plus or minus ib. Therefore, the complementary function yc is equal to e power 3x into c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. Okay, this is yc. Next, we have to find the particular integral yp. Yp equal to 1 by f of d. What is f of d? D square minus 6d plus 13 into q of x. Q of x means 8 e power 3x sin 2x. Okay. This is of the form e power ax into v, where v is sin 2x. Okay. You know that 1 by f of d into e power ax into v is equal to e power ax into 1 by f of d plus a. Just replace d with d plus a into v. Okay. Now this is in the form e power ax into v. Already it is constant. Taking out e power 3x and then replace d with d plus 3. Okay. D plus 3 whole square minus 6 into d plus 3 plus 13 into v, that is sin 2x. Okay. Now this is equal to 8 e power 3x whole by d square plus, next time is 60. 60 minus 60 cancel. Next 9 minus 18 minus 9 plus 13 is plus 4. D square plus 4 sin 2x. Okay. 1 by d square plus 4 sin 2x. That is equal to 8 e power 3x. Now This is sin 2x. Just replace d square with minus 2 square. If you replace d square with minus 2 square means minus 4. This becomes 0. That means this is case of failure. In this case, multiplying the numerator by x and differentiating the denominator with respect to capital D. Okay? X by differentiation of this is 2d into sin 2x. Okay? This is case of failure. Okay? And hence multiplying the numerator by x, differentiate the denominator with respect to capital D. Okay? That is equal to 8 e power 3x x by 2 into 1 by d means integration. Integral sin 2x dx. Okay? That is 4x e power 3x. 2 cancel 4x e power 3x. Integral sin 2x is minus cos 2x by 2. Okay? That is minus 2x e power 3x cos 2x. This is yp. The general solution is y equal to yc plus yp. That is y equal to, what is yc? E power 3x into c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. This is yc plus yp is minus 2x e power 3x cos 2x. This is the required solution. Next problem. Solve d square plus 6d plus 9 into y is equal to x square e power minus 3x. Okay. See the solution. Given differential equation is d square plus 6d plus 9 into y is equal to x square e power minus 3x. Okay. First I have to find yc. The auxiliary equation is, A means auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation is m square plus 6m plus 9 equal to 0. That implies m plus 3 whole square equal to, this can be written as m plus 3 whole square. Implies m equal to minus 3 minus 3. That means minus 3 is a twice repeated root. Therefore, yc is equal to c1 plus c2x into e power minus 3x. Okay. Since minus 3 is repeated twice. Next we have to find the particular integral yp. Particular integral yp equal to 1 by f of d. What is f of d? d square plus 6d plus 9 into q of x. That is x square e power minus 3x. Is equal to 1 by, this can be written as d plus 3 whole square into x square e power minus 3x. This is of the form e power ax into v, where v is x square. You know that 1 by f of d e power ax into v is equal to, take note e power ax and then replace d with d plus a. F of d plus a into v. Using this can be written as, take note e power minus 3x and then replace d with d plus minus 3, means d minus 3. D minus 3 plus 3 whole square into v means x square. Okay? Understand? That is equal to e power minus 3x. So here minus 3 plus 3 cancel. 1 by d square of x square is equal to e power minus 3x. 1 by d square means 2 times integration of x square. That is 1 by d of x square integration. X cube by 3. That is equal to e power minus 3x. Again, x cube by 3 integration. X cube integration x power 4 by 4. That is x power 4 by 12. Okay. That is equal to 1 by 12 x power 4 e power minus 3x. This is yp. Next problem. Solve d square y by dx square minus 4y is equal to x sin hx. Okay. See the solution? Given differential equation is in operator form, d square minus 4 into y is equal to x sin hx. First, I have to find yc. The auxiliary equation is m square minus 4 is equal to 0. Implies m equal to plus or minus 2. Okay, this can be written as m plus 2 into m minus 2. M equal to minus 2. Therefore, the complementary function yc is equal to c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power minus 2x. Okay. Next, we have to find the particular integral yp. Particular integral yp equal to 1 by f of d. What is f of d? D square minus 4 into x sin hx. Okay. This is equal to 1 by d square minus 4 x into, you know that sin hx is e power x minus e power minus x whole by 2. Okay. Now this is equal to half into 1 by d square minus 4 x e power x minus 1 by d square minus 4 x e power minus x. Okay. For convenience, let it be pi1 and this is pi2. It is equal to half into pi1 minus pi2. Okay. Let it be equation 1. It is yp equal to half into pi1 minus pi2. Now pi1 equal to 1 by d square minus 4 x e power x. This is of the form e power ax into v, where v is x. You know that 1 by f of d e power ax into v is equal to e power x into 1 by f of d plus a into v. Okay. Using this can be written as take note e power x and then replace d with d plus 1. D plus 1 whole square minus 4 into v. V means x. Okay. This is equal to e power x into 1 by d square plus 2d plus 1 minus 4 minus 3 into x. Okay. Now this is x power k type, x power 1. Okay. Now e power x into, taking minus 3 common, minus 3 into 1 minus of d square plus 2d by 3 into x. Okay. That is minus e power x by 3. This can be written as 1 minus d square plus 2d by 3 whole inverse of x. Okay. That is equal to minus e power x by 3. This is in the form 1 minus x whole inverse. That is 1 plus x square plus and so on. Okay. 1 plus d square plus 2d by 3 plus d square plus 2d by 3 whole square plus and so on. Okay. But it is enough to expand this up to the term d, since on x we can differentiate one time only. Okay. Now this is equal to minus e power x by 3 into 1 plus 2d by 3 of x. Okay. This is detailed 2 by 3d. Okay. Is equal to minus e power x by 3 into x plus 2 by 3 into d of x means 1. Okay. X plus 2 by 3. Okay. This is pi1. Next we have to find pi2. pi2 equal to 1 by d square minus 4 x e power minus x. Okay. This is also in the form e power x into v, where a is minus 1. Okay. This is equal to e power minus x, and then replace d with d minus 1. D minus 1 whole square minus 4 into x. Okay. This is equal to e power minus x into 1 by d square minus 2d plus 1 minus 4 minus 3 into x. Okay. x means x power k. This is equal to e power minus x. Just take minus 3 common here. Minus 3 into 1 minus d square minus 2d by 3 into x, okay, is equal to minus e power minus x by 3. This can be written as 1 minus d square minus 2d by 3 whole inverse into x. Okay. This is equal to minus e power minus x by 3. This in the form 1 minus x whole inverse. 1 plus x means d square minus 2d by 3 plus and so on of x. Since this is x, it's enough to expand this up to d. Okay, it is equal to minus e power minus x by 3 1 minus 2d by 3 of x. No need of d square, d cube, those terms. Okay, it is minus e power minus x by 3 x minus 2 by 3. D of x means derivative of x is 1 minus 2 by 3. Okay, this is PI2. Now substitute the values of PI1 and PI2 in equation 1. We get yp equal to half into PI1, that is minus e power x by 3 into x plus 2 by 3 minus PI2 is minus or minus plus e power minus x by 3 into x minus 2 by 3. Okay, multiplying this, minus e power x by 6 x plus minus e power x by 9 plus 1 by 6 e power minus x minus 1 by 9 e power minus x. It is equal to this minus x e power x by 6 plus x e power x by 6. Just take minus x by 3 common. This can be written as e power x minus e power minus x all by 2. Okay, and here minus 1 by 9 common. I am writing this as minus 2 by 9 into e power x plus e power minus x all by 2. We are taking minus 1 by 9 common. Okay, 2 by 2 cancel. Okay, that is minus x by 3. This is sin hx. Minus 2 by 9. This is cos hx. Okay, this is yp. The general solution is y equal to yc plus yp. That is y equal to, what is yc? c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power minus 2x plus yp is minus x by 3 sin hx minus 2 by 9 cos hx. Okay, this is the required solution. Okay students, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.